Hello, I want to talk about an interesting mechanism of sex determination that's called haplodiploidy. And haplodiploidy is present in honeybees, and I want to tell you a little bit about it and how sex determination works in those critters to give you an appreciation for the incredible diversity of sex determination mechanisms that there are. So I need to just let you know, define a couple of terms for you. And the terms I want to define are haploid, which is sometimes called N, and diploid, which is called 2N. So if you recall, I described for you in a previous video how chromosomes in, for example, humans, they come in pairs, and an individual who has two copies of each chromosome, let's say a genetic female, we would expect that individual to have two of each chromosome looking something like this. A haploid refers to a situation where there is cells, living cells, where there is only one copy of each chromosome. And if you recall, in sperm and eggs, that's how it works. Let me see, what color am I on? I think I'm in this color. I'll use this color. In sperm and eggs, that's how it works. Sperm and eggs typically have one copy of each chromosome. In honeybees, it turns out that sex is determined by whether an individual is haploid or diploid. So in honeybees, the male honeybees are haploid, and the female honeybees are diploid. So that has some kind of interesting consequences for how genetic sex is determined. So imagine if we have a female honeybee here, and here she is, this would be the queen, and she makes many, many, many eggs. And those eggs that she makes are haploid. And if those eggs are not fertilized, they go on to make male honeybees. So this would be a male honeybee. If, on the other hand, a male honeybee who will make sperm that look like this, if this sperm fertilizes this egg here, we will end up with, this is a sperm, we will end up with a diploid cell that will become a female honeybee. So that has some interesting consequences. You may notice that this male honeybee here, who arose from an unfertilized egg, this male honeybee doesn't have a father. And this male honeybee, males can't have any sons because all of their sperm, if they fertilize an egg, make females. So that's, hopefully you've got an appreciation for the variety of mechanisms that are used in biology to determine genetic sex.